Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and here's a short video on the JLab Go Talk Microphone review, unboxing, and setup, as well as some voice tests on the audio quality. If you would like to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and that will help support my channel, and it's greatly appreciated. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here by first taking a quick look at the box. Okay, that was quick enough. Let's open it up, and the first thing that comes out is the user's manual here, and I'll open it up, and it has some really clear, really good pictures and some details in there. I'm impressed by that, and you can click on the Scan Me on the back of it, but let me put that to the side. And here's the mic, and let me see, I think I have this upside down, so let me straighten this out. All right, that's better. And we have two knobs on the front, and the stand appears to be permanently attached to the mic. On the back we have two ports, and we'll go into more details on those items in just a moment. Here's the other part of the stand, and it goes right into the groove, the mic. Okay, there we go. And we'll get to the hardware that puts these two, or keeps these two pieces together on the stand in just a moment. Let me go ahead and grab this Go box, and there should be some additional stuff in here. Quick start guide and a USB cable should be in the box, and yes, it is. All right, let me go ahead and grab those two items out, and we have, of course, this little package that says "Find Your Go." All right, hashtag. All right, and then the cable. Hey, I'm really impressed by this cable. It's heavy duty, and it's got a little weight to it, so I think it's a really good quality cable that's going to reduce any noise being picked up on the connection. And I'll open up the package here, and we have some hardware. All right, now these two things will help me to keep the stand together, and also help me to attach the stand or the mic to a boom stick if I want to. This is rubber right here, and it has to be pushed in. It's like a little rubber stopper, and you push it in, but it doesn't go in all the way too easily. It's going to take a little work or effort. As you can see, I'm struggling with it a little bit, and what I'm going to do is grab a flathead screwdriver to help me push it all the way in, and that will, flatten it. But if you use a screwdriver, be careful only to do what I'm doing, just to push it down on the flat edge of the screwdriver. You don't want to damage that little rubber stopper or plug. And once it's in and it's flat, it seems to keep the two pieces of the stand together. I feel comfortable that it's sturdy. And yeah, that's a good looking stand, and I'll put this mic stand adapter to the side. I'll be using that on a boomstick in the future when I decide to mount this mic on a boomstick. Okay, for right now, I like this stand just the way it is. This desktop stand, it looks good and seems to be sturdy. All right, here's the USB cable. Let me unwrap it here. It is definitely a nice heavy duty one. It has some thickness in the cable itself. And here's the connectors on both sides. We have a USB-C connector, and we have a USB-A connector. So it's very versatile. It'll plug into almost any laptop computer or desktop computer. Now let's go ahead and take a up close look at the front of the mic. We have two knobs. The first one up top here is a multifunction knob. It controls your volume, your gain, and your mute. And then below that we have the recording knob, which basically to the left it records the front of the mic, and if it's to the right it records all around the mic. All right, let's go ahead and take a up close look at the rear or the back of the mic now. And we have two ports on the back. The first one up top here is for your headphone jack, and you plug your headphones right into that. And then below that we have a USB-C input port, and that is the port that you connect your USB cable that comes from your USB port on your laptop or your desktop computer into this port so that you can power up the mic and record. Now let's go ahead over to my laptop computer and connect the mic up to the laptop here via the USB-C connection, which I've gone ahead and done. There's no big deal about plugging a USB cable into a laptop. Everybody knows how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and plug my headphones into the headphone jack on the back of the mic here. And the volume control, I think I'll probably leave that alone and adjust that if necessary. Also, by the way, I am only going to be recording from the front of the mic. And looks like a good place to put my mic is right on top of my laptop on the right hand side here. I may put it on the side eventually, but we'll try it like this to begin with. And let's go ahead and open up Audacity, which is a free audio program that you can record anything that you like to. And it's, like I said, it's free. It doesn't cost anything. And I'll go ahead and put my headphones on. Also, I don't know if you can hear this, but I'm tapping on the keyboards. And it's a little bit sensitive, but not too bad. Again, this will pick up almost everything. It depends on what type of noise you have in your environment. It will definitely pick up birds singing outside your window, doors being shut nearby in your house, and people talking in the next room. So it's very sensitive, and this is a good thing, and it has pros and cons. But in any case, let's go ahead and start up Audacity here and start recording. All right, so let me go ahead and click on that record button there. Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and here's a voice test using the JLab Go Talk Microphone. Voice test 1, 2, 3, 4. The sky is blue and the ocean is too. Okay, end of tests. Now, as you just heard, in my opinion, this has a very deep and rich sound to it. The recording does come across as crisp and clear, at least within the Audacity audio recording program. So the next thing I'm going to give you is a test outside of Audacity. It's actually within my video editor here. And give me a moment and I will record from the JLab's Go Talk Mic. Okay, this is Nick, test 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Nick's Computer Fix. I am now recording within my video editor here. I happen to be using Wondershare Filmora video editor, and I have the mic directly in front of me, and it's about 4.5 to 6 inches away from my mouth. And I think it sounds very good. It still sounds rich and crisp. And, this is a really good quality microphone for $42. I think it sounds great. And let me give you one quick test again. And the sky is blue and the ocean is too. So you can tell that it sounds good. I think it sounds good, but you be the judge. It's an excellent mic for $42 or under 50. That's Not too bad in today's market. I also decided my default microphone that I normally use, which is the Trackstar SGC 598 shotgun mic, and that's always been my favorite, but I think this is going to be my favorite for now on. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Subscribe if you like, and leave a like if you like.